If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To set the default settings for customer statements and invoices in Sage 50 Accounting, select Maintain, Default Information, Statement/Invoices from the menu bar to open the Statement/Invoices defaults window. Here you can change these settings before sending customer invoices and statements. In this window there are two tabs, Statement Print Options and Dunning Messages. On the Statement Print Options tab, select the options that must be met for a customer to receive a statement. Select the default statement type, and also decide if the company information will print on statements and invoices. On the Dunning Messages tab, enter the Dunning messages to print on statements and invoices for each aging category you create. If a customer has multiple overdue invoices, Sage 50 prints the Dunning message applicable to the oldest overdue invoice. When finished, click the OK button to apply your settings. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.